my channel. So in today's video I am doing a house tour. I'm not quite done decorating our entire house yet because we just moved in about a year ago, so we're not done decorating yet, but I wanted to show you guys where we're at right now. So if you want to see our house tour, keep watching. Okay, so here is my front door. And then I'm gonna give you a view of what it looks like when you first come in. This is the room that is not done completely yet. But yeah, so here is our entryway table, and I will show you everything that's on top. So over here I have a vase with some greenery that is from Hobby Lobby. I think the vase was $10, but it was on sale for $5. And then the greenery, I don't remember how much it was, and I don't have the tag on it still. I think it was really cheap though. And then that temple brick was a gift, so I don't know where it's from. I think they actually made it. And then over here I have my Scentsy going, and it's just the mason jar one that says remember to stop and chase the fireflies. And then I have an M, and the M I got off of a Facebook swap thing. We put them as centerpieces in our wedding. You'll see a bunch of them throughout our house. And then down here inside of the drawer I just have all of my Scentsy waxes. And then over here we have a book on top of this with a cube of the temple we were married in, and then a succulent that's a little wonky and I have nowhere to put it. And then over here we have a jar of coins whenever we need change, a flower, and it's all on top of this little plate. I have no idea where I got the plate at all. Okay, and then down here I have some, it looks kind of like milk jars. They were from Target in like the dollar section, and I believe they were like $3 each. And then more succulents, and then this picture frame that was a gift. And the succulents are from Target. Okay, and then we can move on to here. This is kind of like our entryway bench, and we'll just start from the top. So the bench itself we got off of a Facebook swap group, and I think it was $60. And then all of the pillows are from Target, but the middle one is a gift from my brother, and it just has a bunch of cities and areas in Arizona. And then I just placed my purse on top, and it's just a Kate Spade purse. And then we have shoes on the bottom, and the basket has shoes in it as well. And then if you turn over here, eventually we want to move our couches in here and get a sectional for the living room, but for now we have these cute yellow chairs that my friend gave me. The Mr. and Mrs. pillow is from Hobby Lobby, and I just put pillow inserts inside. And then up here is my gallery collage wall, whatever you want to call it. And we'll just start from over here and work our way. So all of the empty frames I bought from a lady who painted them and made them rustic looking. So I have no idea where they're from, probably Goodwill or something. And then the kind of shiplap frame right here is from Hobby Lobby. This quote is from Hobby Lobby. That rustic wood frame is from Hobby Lobby. I think this frame's from Target. It was a gift from a friend. And then down here, I don't know where the little doorknob is from. It came with the frames that I bought. And then the another rustic wood from Hobby Lobby, and I don't know where this print is from. My mother-in-law got it, but it is like hand colored, if you can see. She bought it off Etsy, I'm pretty sure. And then the M is also from Hobby Lobby. That blue frame is from Marshall's, and the artwork inside of it is by Taylor Towns, and I'll try and link them in the bio. So there is that. And then if you turn over here, we have a picture of Jesus that I got from my mom. And then that's some message from our church. And then over here, we have this cubicle. This cubicle won't be here forever. It's kind of just something that's there for now. But all the cubicles, so these 3 bottom ones have toys in them for when my nephew and nieces and all those lovely kids come over. And then the top one has my husband's gear in it, like all his work stuff. But we will start from the top. So on the top, I'm pretty sure almost everything is from Hobby Lobby, but I will tell you if it's not. So this little, I don't even know what it is. I think it's meant to be like put on a child or something. I don't know. But I just put it on top of this jar, and inside of the jar is rocks that were signed by people that went to our wedding. And this is from the jar. It's from Hobby Lobby. I don't know where this is from. And then the Farm Sweet Farm is also from Hobby Lobby. The frame is from Hobby Lobby. This is a willow tree figurine that my grandmother gave me. This is from Target, and the M is from Marshall's. And then everything in the cubicle, I can't really tell you where it's from. We have a bunch of papers that we can't find a place for. No idea where the frame's from. I think it's from Target. And then seashells from Florida. And this jar, it typically has pine cones in it for the fall, but I forgot to put the jar with the fall stuff, so it's just sitting there. And down here are some vintage cameras that were my grandfather's. And down here, it's a picture of us. There's a huge glare on it. No idea where the frame's from, with a bunch of books from our wedding, our engagement, and just dating. And then those are the cases to the picture frame, and I thought they looked really cool, so I displayed those as well. And then right here, that is our cake topper with rocks and stuff in a jar and a doily looking thing. So that is all for the front entryway room, I guess you could call it. And we will move on to the living room. Okay, so when you go into the living room, we have this really cool archway looking thing. And then you enter, and the first thing you see is our couches and our TV stand with our TV. And then our couch. You've seen this in my videos a lot. So I'll tell you where everything's from. So our couches were a hand-me-down from my parents. It was their gift to me and my husband. The pillows, the fun, colorful pillow, is from Home Goods. And it's got some cute little designs. And then the, what's this called? I'm blanking. Houndstooth? I think that's what it's called. Pillow is from Target. My mom got me these before I was even married for our apartment. The blanket was a gift, but it's from Target. So that's those. And then we will come over to this couch. And the pillows are these are from Pottery Barn. It's a pillow cover, so I just put some pillows in there. And then those are from Target. And then up here, we have some artwork again from Taylortown. These little mirrors are from Marshall's. These little wood planks with the arrows they came with all the frames that I showed you that were hanging. And then up here we have some artwork of the temple we were married in, and they're in Hobby Lobby frames, and a custom one of us. Okay, and then over here we have our TV stand, and the TV stand was free, and we have some blocks made by my great aunt. And then if you turn over here, this is our fireplace. This is another place that's not finished yet. I haven't really decided what I want to do with it, but hold on. But I will show you what I have at the moment. So this M was a gift, but it's from Hobby Lobby. And then we have another little brown picture frame of one of our engagement pictures from, oh, I don't know where the frame's from. And this was custom made for us. It was a gift, and it's of our wedding song. And then it has a heart and it says K+T on it. And then over here, we have a Scentsy again, and it kind of just looks like a farmhouse picture. And I don't know what to do with those wires. They upset me so much. And then over here we have a little vase pitcher looking thing again. And the pitcher itself is from Target. It's actually like functional, like you're supposed to use it as a vase, but I thought it was really pretty. So I just use it here with some cotton stems inside from Hobby Lobby. And then my little letterboard says, "Darling, you are all that I wanted love to be." That's been there since Valentine's Day. I just haven't changed it. I usually change it with the seasons, but that's from Amazon. And then that little green candle is from Bath & Body Works. It's the Fresh Balsam scent. And then this frame came with all the other frames. And then up top, that little picture of the two people kissing came from my mother-in-law. There's like a really cool story behind it, that my husband wanted it in his house, so we have it in our house. And then more of those picture frames and the, oh, I don't know what it's called, the embroidery hoop. I think that's what it's called. And that finishes the living room. Oh, and we also have this sign from my mom, but I'm pretty sure it's from Hobby Lobby. But that is everything. Sorry if it's super bright, but if it's not, if the windows aren't open, it'll be super dark. So, also the curtains, you can see it in the corner. If I move it any further over, it'll blast you with light, but those came with the house. Whoever lived in here before us had to leave them. So I just incorporated them in by getting those pillows that kind of match. Okay, so now we are going into the kitchen. So the kitchen is very cool. That has like these little windows, so it's very open. Also the paint color. This paint color is called Passive, and it's just a very light gray with kind of some, I don't want to say blue undertones because it's not blue, but it's just a very light gray, and it's coming off purpley, but it's not purple, I promise. And then this color, I wanted a blue kitchen, and this color is Tidewater, but I got it 25% cut. So what that means is they only put 75% of the color inside of the white paint to make the blue. So here's my kitchen. It's very simple. I don't have a whole lot of decorations in here yet, but I have another Scentsy. This one's my first one. It was a pineapple, and I thought it was only fitting to put it in the kitchen. This was a gift from my husband from Valentine's Day, and it's just my favorite dog. I love French Bulldogs, so that's from him. And then all the basic stuff. And then I put all of my little kitchen stuff on this little plate. It's a bigger version of the one that's in the front room. And then like bananas, your basic stuff, KitchenAid, diffuser, all that good stuff. And then we have little mini salt shaker versions of the jar that my mom got me. That's gross. And then down here, I have a Norwex cloth. That's the one with like the little microfiber things. I love this. If you don't have one, you need one. It's so great when you're washing your hands. And then we have a cactus little towel that my friend got me for my birthday, and it says Hot Times. Love that. And then just some pictures of us, clutter stuff on the little side of the fridge. This is actually our wedding invitations, so that's really cool. And then these magnets, if I remember who made them, they're hand drawn. They're hand drawn and they're freaking amazing. But I have a ton of them. My mom got them for me. And then over here, sorry about the lighting, I have some little frames from Hobby Lobby. See if I can make it focus. That's just gonna be some crappy lighting, I'm sorry. Those are all from Hobby Lobby. Bunch of herbs and whatnot. Super cute. And then our table was a free gift from someone, and it is pretty roughed up, but it works for us, and I plan to paint it white eventually with some chalk paint. So yeah, so that is my entire house. Okay guys, that is all I have for you today. That's gonna be a part 1 of my house tour, and I'm sorry that the lighting was really bad at parts. My house is just really weird with lighting, and if the windows are closed, it's really bad lighting, and if the windows are open, it's really harsh lighting. So I kind of picked my poison and went with harsher lighting than dark. So sorry about that, but if you liked my house tour and you want to see more of my house, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe and give me some comments, because I'd love to read from you guys. And I meant to mention this in my last video, but I hit 100 subscribers like 3 days ago, and I was so ecstatic because I started with, what was it, like 60 something, and it grew so fast. I got like 40 something in a matter of a week, and I'm really happy that you guys are all here. Thank you so much for subscribing, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.